for your muna, chain, eba, a coba, TV, so, and I'm a pay. Jimmy, I told him, my chassis, our song for a coba, and Uncle Joe Men's our brompa, Matanas and Jimmy, Ebrew, not what I said, and it is you will to a so, and answer what you want to him. The who, if you are of mystical, and answer what you need. Eh, who goes school, you know, him the net to say, book Modifiano, Lecoyi, and answer now in Coyimo. And when you could Jimmy, I told him, my chassis and bro, said you will deal with that and Penini, couldn't meet nothing. Now, I'm a boy, not on church or how my brother eating a chassis. And then, Yami Adomie. What they are branding the Adomia over the church in a payama, chassis eating a chassis. Now, some pay me say the 3 months will pay you. The sun said, what's 2.3, a baby. Now, a big great down the swat, a young one again, a chinkry, a dear friendly reggae teacher. I just say, Ubia, Chichi, a kind of deal with the Natas or Ubia. The 3 months will be panty, reggae teacher, a kind of way, and the United States. To me, the Ayatuni ding, a chassis, and Eddie Amon, and yes, I'm a crown. Now, let me fight Jimmy in Rome. They are catching a team for me. I prefer say, oh, but program is what now I share. You know, be all the news waiting ended. Now I share. Now also subscribe it. And to say, no, make me then I could hear. I won't let me in me and chassis. A team for sending big kind of reggae teacher or studio in tea. And I have pay bigger. The better is afraid that's all I can let you make it. I shall see. Reggae teacher and walk out of bedroom.
Yeah, John, and I call back.
Wow, oh, my offended me.
What I was saying.
I will find a fashion designer in the fence. I thought you were my life about.
Carry the show fashion designer now. One have a point TV, I bet you.
Wow. Reggae teacher, no.
What I was saying,
wow. Me say, Martin wants a panty and rap. Me produce a catcher and say, no, show. I mean, you come on. Many GP years and say, I see no market, I actually give my offering.
Nana Koba, be free Kumasi. Kumasi na be free. Na me ba Odan Kuruma 2015. We raise school number service from Kuruma. And now me ba is a Kuruma swajimi.
Wow,
so metina ha na mabo bra no. Nti na se Kumasi ankasa na be free. Na me ba.
Na patroni di ma odi ankasa de say reggae teacher na o ma me de to wan na say odi ankasa wo.
There be me ma me antum reggae teacher. Me di ankasa de Dabila Mahama.
Wow.
Me di ankasa de Dabila Mahama. But me nyuma ne bibia me issue na ma ventures and enti dodo na so frame na ma be kra ni edi Mahama na say e be din ana say me ko ba bi na me boy bi mu engine to say ye frame say because ma onama no akwachi onama na akwachi but reggae teacher came by was time I me introduce reggae to other people like make sure more like the view of reggae and almost hardly am so count out my body back one. It's for the
wow, and then we see it for an empire a bit of the it's said we shall branch now. What prepare ye? We shall say now because at the confident level also a chance in the criminal bobby. Down I shall say school no. Let's see it me put on baby or cool school. Anyhow, I have it me a chassis. Anything Mr. Nama or school.
School there me shall say or Kumasi because Swami Methodist. I walk Kumasi Swami. Me few on na me call Amforce Senior High Technical School. Now me call building technology. Nti me few on me call Espole Kofeda, e call change Espole. Nti from Espole na me be service work na Makawda ha. Nti kakra me timi aka from school no be bia me so me sua de kakra.
Nti for senior me dey kan catch them say apprentice no me say wa pain and then empire be do ofidie mu ase. Nti na hyase mu nsem wa hyase a o ke catch no. So also ye we abofra asa apprentice ba wa wosi so. Na we dey wadwen yo so kata wali tie say wutimi toka kata wali tie so wutimi esifia abrabo ne mo ne sa kakra. Nti na hyase ana o che say oku school wa ha apo school wa ha na kakra service di na ba be pia che wodan enen so ogusu a o di ni djumedie na bibia etimi ekọ kakra. Na dey na di reggae teacher to wo.
Reggae teacher no e come by me pe reggae. Okay. Straight from class 6. And I'm sure see reggae, me di reggae chia. Sometimes a nema nipa kafa bibi ho no ya me pese me ankasa me hu e de ma me ho. Nti me beti say reggae de ye reefo nwum, reggae de ye rasta for this why you team person. And I'm say ade na ye nwum. Obi a betimi esua. Nti ade na me nkosua na me hu de wo mu ankasa. Na me tu ana mo wura reggae nim no. Me be hu say reggae no nyesa de amanfo tie akire e kan. E ma me hia obi a anasa me tena kam kura na reggae bo. Na nipa tika ni mu no empesa o beti reggae na me try say me church mu say nwum ya wutie ya o mpesa o beti na sekyerɛ ni enwom na match of gospel na ma kyerɛ ma se nti at the end of the day obi a me ne nkanta aye bia no ɛbɛyɛ reggae lover ɛba be pay reggae nwom and teacher ne bae
the house
big ups to Abuajoa madam Abuajoa na dey reggae teacher na nkasa ɛma me because one person I know would dry reggae and I me catch her and say me there and say make sure na man to reggae ase and it got to a time or pay reggae no kwa cha me nkasa me there make sure the reggae and I say no be friend reggae teacher and I establish it in man
reggae ma me so asem o I mean say you can be a reggae lover say so what kind of buy you would release any money na mo so we reggae teacher we teach reggae no ekwan bi so no na na me bisa mo say na tell obes twetwe ba hefo ana se de na I mean say na wa sha se awo kase reggae na kase reggae ase kase
ebe ho na ebe ka say nipa oba ha no kra won fa duku bi nchichire ni ti wonye rasta bi na say so reggae no eye de wo wakom ana say rastafari ne ye de wo wakom enye necessary say obenya dreadlocks enyu na ye de commonly a friend say why rasta no rasta ni gina ne baby nko na dreadlock ni gina ne baby nko nti ehwe reggae nyu bi a o say buffalo soldier dreadlock rasta say the same thing and kon repeating me no dreadlock nko na rasta nko enyu na ye born person no eno ne friend dreadlock nti you can choose to be a rasta but only dreadlock that's what I've chosen say media me person no nemu me rasta
me sound near castle be a rasta they say boy be a rasta that is obia say na bra bono e basa e rascal bi basa bi ana me eso wo die ne ntesa I didn't know the India say difference a cow and yes, so be any pa. I must say reggae so cry and more types means there were gospel aspect of reggae, there were political aspect of reggae, and there was social aspect of reggae. If you so can a question will be saying, oh my India, say oh first, say I would just really want to come city. Because the Senate can so be a Rastafarian, will be as a rascal crap. Now I about to say Rasta and a crowd, and that's a reggae crowd. They will move to movie and something. Can you know answer me?
Yes, I have a penalty. Reggae no, and I say first, and I can't Rasta. I am any public brief, say, will be a ruffian guy, will be a ass or Nungri, will be our mafia, and yes, sir. The word Rasta abbreviation, I shall reserve African stand tall alone. Emperor Haile Selassie. Now, see for normal forming some movement, you know. Okay. Or more than in church, by. Oh, yes, some and Cremosom, Christosum, if you baby a buy until we call Jamaica for the society, the almost baby, if you pay Ethiopia, Addis Ababa, the Honor Rastafarian movement, and I started also live your way of life. Almost say, and far born in your ye live with the 10 commandments. A moony and yum to follow, if you saw a bra bono, our bono, until be sorry or quite sorry what you say. Not what Tonuma, a friend of gospel. Okay. Obi sorry, or Bory as a 4 brown or Tonuma, be a friend hip hop and as a high life. Okay. One who said, "I family in a dia or yen." Until Rasta for so a fat or movement, no who I was a church, baby, Emma Nipatia said there was a Nipa etna. Until our regular aspect be a gospel, I can't about Yame and Nipantemasem. Wow. So, abrabo ben na obebo a obenya heaven akọ abrabo ben na obebo Nyankopon ni eden eje ho ye wo aspect bi a emrofo no fa ye no mu sa slavery time no nti ye wo aspect bi so e kasa fa ye ne abrofo no ntem asem eno na ma abrofo no reggae for na asem no nti as time goes on maybe some other time ye share interview a metro reggae niwe na hyase de na oye ya abrofo betan no den na abrofo nya ne kun no omo nyina abrofo no hyehye ena omo ye de omo kun omo because omo so the liberation bi ye de every Africans nti o aspect kasa fa no ho ena ye wo aspect so a it say politicians ni kwan say ma ye ho kwan ma politicians say use ye ne sa ne ma no nti ye wo aspect so a kasa fa no nti wo bisa reggae no chemu nyansa na kakra a so minim die mu metimi a kire wo
ko ba metie ma fo se be kasa branch no wa be yi sanse teacher for the we say teacher dey and we say teacher dey wa to the boss dey we church ade me no say me kwa me ho apo yɛbɛkɔ so na yɛkɔ so na kasa ɛnɛ ma onyum bi wɔ ha sei ɛsiane sɛ ɔyɛ reggae teacher ate sɛ wabini wɔ reggae mu no nti ɛnim wei yɛ surprise ma mebɔ mpa yɛ sɛ wobɛtumi akyerɛkyerɛ mu na yɛtiefoɔ a mohwɛ dwumadie mo nso mɛtumi ahu sɛ aberante ne amfra bɛsi akɛkɛ na mmom ne tirim abɔbɛwo sɛnea madi kan akyerɛkyerɛ mu aka no enti Mr. DJ wode yɛ nsɛm mmerɛ no fa nwom no to background no na kyɛ sɛ atiefoɔ hu nneɔma a yɛkɔ so Mr. DJ pɔs nwom no ma no reggae teacher bibi kebu sa ma de bɔ nani
we dey ma me fa se bi fam
okay
akora bi no pe movie pa sa tama video center wo so no
okay
tabia ye ma na chopo ni anu ate ni pay the video center de atoro de akwa ma video ria no kwa se mre du o ma ye de akwhwe na kwa no se juwa ne shaka ne ade movie no eje gbegbe a o se we ma hweda
ebi na ma ye
anyway ma tada ana se new way bi ni
wow really you ma de boy
what's a beat pen by the trouble who said the entire frame reggae teacher
wow
anyway the a slice of Man Zion is for right a coach and a boy na album a woman no one stone so be kai sa anyum na
wow ni mo adwene yete for ni mo adwene bi na DJ ma no koma ye wow reggae teacher reggae teacher and on my who team free wow ti for say me di kan kai on say me dey o di am share bo say me dey dey papa and be bro ati ati ti na me so kokko ba TV so a no subscribe no share na obi o wa chichi di benchen so etinye dey enya bia we izan say ko ba dey me mfa de phone bre wo ade papa na me dey ba enti ko ne ni abranti amato we bo ase aka ma no kokko no say ade papa na me dey dey ebre wo enti ne dey any reggae teacher na e wo fi ha o boy na o chichi reggae na say na che say eni o me twu bu ba de wa many a chi che say Ghana ye wade yenso mu ye pa na izan say o mranti we mu ho na sa mu cheche de mu a wo so man no e be ko na ni ye pa enti reggae teacher say ni a ni mi ye twu ya wo di kan body of one no ni how I knew na papa say me na dey be say wo be fa no 9 by 9 wo tinye chichiri wa wa ye chichiri ni dey wo bibie mu na che say ne nkwa ba twere so ne ni na yi mu na no bi tinye mu hawa enu no e konti we dey enu no ni title this
me da wase ekoba so ma me sa akonye na enipa so a e wa bonten e ba be hu se reggae ni nye wi fo nyu se de enema e ko no ye betimi anam reggae so akyerɛkyerɛ nneɛma ama nipa adwen kora yɛ dɛ asesa nti time bi a metena asesa me hyɛ reggae mu no ebi wiase na ayɛ te sɛ me preachi ɛnyɛ menyɛ sɔfo ɛnyɛ me na me preachi ɛnwom ne na preachi because deɛ wɔ nwom ne na me pɛ sɛ me ka na ɔyɛ dɛ wote aseɛ ebi wɔ kora me yɛ ɛnwom ne bewie no na me quote Bible quotation baako kora ba mo a mo tie no mo nim sɛ we quote verse we kora direct verse a ɛwɔ Bible because me nim Bible but enyum na kasa timi kyerɛkyerɛ ebi wɔ koro timi ma wo scenario bi a esi wɔ Bible mu na read for mo wɔ Bible nti Bible na efi he nti ɛno ana ɔmo so de nkyerɛkyerɛ de emu nsɛm ne bi yɛ de ɛbɔ no nti sɛ de ɛmɛhyɛ aseɛ no enyum no ɛde a slice of Man Zion okay yɛka Man Zion a yɛbɛ Rastafo de gyina ma heaven okay yɛbɛkɔ te sɛ before so yɛka paradise so nti yɛka Man Zion a ɔmo de gyina hɔ de ma heaven na ma memfa a slice no so obi wɔ hɔ a ɔnte ase yi anaasɛ bibisa sɛ wokɔtɔ brodo a ɔmo atwitwa ne nteanteanteantean nti kɔkya no mu wɔ sɛ a slice of Man Zion is for I ɔka I a ɛyɛ me nti Rastafo no ka bibi I and I me ne umienu nti sɛ borɔfo bɛka you and I no yɛyɛ ka no I and I nti a slice of Man Zion is for I sɛ yɛkyekyɛ heaven mu into portions yɛkyekyɛ mu nketenkete a ɔno obenya ne kyɛfa wɔ mu kɔkya sɛ obenya ne kyɛfa wɔ mu na ɔbɛkyerɛ kwan a ɔbɛfa so a wo so bɛyɛ dɛ obenya wo kyɛfa wɔ mu nti nnwom no ne fare by ene na se kire no ye bokọ na ye behu
enti we nya koto bi bele me na me no
dabi ye wo rasta obi ti se Lucky Dube wi kwa e bi nkan na no da so ba wa ni timi ku ha enti enye wi na ankasa na e kire wo de wo be ye wo wi no so de me pese etiefo enti me pese me kọ sa side no ade bia wo
at the right time me kan myself
yes okay ade bia wo positive and negative aspects nti bacho wo me fa reggae no ye je wi na asem to
enti you how say o be catch the team for any be abroad to me
ebra adwumadi ye ekoso ni ameka ne se wo hu se adwen a beba ni patrim no eno na lead you
okay
once I would be sure to say when you need a for you ye ka den obeka say e for no but the me pesa me sere me tie for no say bi wa kuma mi say asem na wo ka no obeti ase asem na reggae teacher be ka no obeti ase now they are compare even gospel nyum bi a na say yetieti and I say highlight bi a yetieti na me no mi enu ye judge say enum no de he na ye gospel de he na e ka fa nyame ho de he na e kire nipa abrabo pai wo say ye de ye boni nya osoro ahime no meko ye nyina ye de enim ye beto ye o ma kire say ye gu a heaven bi ye de e wo ho nti eno ho kire na ye so egu so ye de ye nti nyum na wie ye no me pese wo a wutie ye no wo be fa mu aba no say aha say reggae na o ma kan kan no enye dwifo nyum sa
reggae teacher
e ko ba e di ni e de pa
and what say bibia me say atipo o hwe ye note na say how akoko commenting messages e ba enye easy so akoko so obeduma wa de so obani age pa wanti mi wo man ga na mu na say enu hwe no na yensi no nya iketa mu bi tumeji ko ne bi de na say ko sa wenya ne no o hwe na mutimi na eti we de enwom na ye boy no bibi wo ho bi ma ye be o pese ye nyen ka ho na ma wuti encheche bibi mu ana se ye mu akonya bi na ye hwe mre na se ye mre ko bibi ntini ni yetinye ye ekitwa na maso na bibi etinya ndi ye mo be 5 minutes che ye nyoma bi kakra ka o reggae mu a ko ba ni team ene ya hwefo nyina enyi na che se nyoma timi enkoso ma ye
me wo enema bebre e fa reggae mu
okay
first hia me pa ne say nipa ebeji afiri emu say ye wifo no
okay
say yentimi an clear sa doubt na ebe din say beti because wo mpe wi na e ka wi asem a emfa wo
okay
so enti wo mpe wi na akoto say the good ato ba bia wi da bi kura wonya dey wo nkofa so enti de yenyi free wo no wetiefo mesra mu say yenyi free etim ne say yemma adwen e dey etim say reggae ye wifo no na enkoto nchen
okay
so na yentie reggae no ne try say ye beti ase reggae na bi ye simple pa brofo a ode to ye simple by nipa amfa ya adwen ye dey eni akire enyu bi wo ho nipa pepa e bi a beat da se enti na ye dey ye ni ti nwom ho ye tie nwom ni mu asem madam fu bi o se daddy no man me twam a na ede anasa asem bi to a e na wutimu se enwum ye ede
wow
so ba ye me reggae teacher me ntuma na mo sa me te enwum bi a me pese me hu de wo nwum ni because obi be bo nwum o reason ti a o ye dey obo nwum no yo reggae bebre wo ho a ye bibi na sie e na omo boye we na mo boye so ntusu ti a at least we benya Africa so history na kakra because omo ye mostly omo kasafa Africa e na omo kasafa Africa ho keke sie be kan boom of which se enemrem no nipa nyina ehwe se saade no betimi abam obi o Africa bi ehwe se Africa betimi nya nka boom enso we mo abonwom ato ebi 1960 ebi 1970s no mo abonwom na ade egu ho no ma fe na nipa hu se e wo se Africa ka boom dia ene na meka se prophecy ana they may be one way for no. A prophecy no more in a form of music at the two one man. Because a BCC and the yam and no way. Like I say, any panel crop or you may be quite and to first any sound mentality if you follow reggae, it can even lead us to Africa liberation.
I think for a bear for commercial break a crowd now, Jumedian, you have always a reggae teacher, and then you have brought us on church and anymore. So, for good, or for me, you can now, or no, you need to be able to say. Jumedian will let me a check book. Am I? Eti, you could break a crack if you break bad at Jumedian.
I hear say beef sack and stone boy. Oh, no be me I talk, bet you know boys. He the same self, you know be own voice. You get money by now, we buy.
For you could break, you know, if you break in about reggae teacher, things you can come with me, so cover. Onum su kakra te say na dwumedi no se na promise mo se edema mo no ene o question no betimi dia ba na ebusa nyina o reggae teacher na te say betimi ayi nyina no amaye it we dey besa ko reggae teacher so na bi o ho a wo dey ato so amaye
akoba
reggae teacher
Misan chia wo no eti fo nyina.
Yeah, jo so.
Esa mama kwa baba show so. Na said the adeni heat me no.
Wow.
Me timi control system no. See, you find you na me chire mu chire we eti fo kakra.
And Mr. DJ Manu Ntwegu Maye. DJ, pause in your mommy. Reggae teacher. It is okay, West, no. But they come on the box, so reggae them any idea fan of. But we would say, make sure we on reggae, so I am part of passing. It's with the first line they're calling, then I'll come.
And I mean, you can't search your movie. Coach has some can show an area, say,
okay,
or no, coach are there. See a check heavy moon kitten kitty slice now. A fabia or no idea. Meaning that Obeko heaven. A slice of Mount Zion is for right. Nemo, and yana cuckoo drew so, and yana home so, and yana 2 Samson or they call heaven. What I say? Okay. Was I pray to Jah honestly? Okay. To please let me live honestly. Okay. Love my brother, that's all I need. Wow. I need no riches, just harmony. Wow. Was it? Or bompire. Wow. We yina kuma mu bompire training yankopon. Or brand wants a bompire training yankopon. Say asasi sumpo. O mane tenase. O no credium. So what I say? Okay. Nemo o man tenase o no credium no. Obi betime de ne niam bia be de abekantan wo. Okay. Obi betime de ne tokwa bia be sawo na nipa hu suban. O sere nyankopon say o pese o dole nua. Say the Bible say do yonko say de ho. Nti sa hoden
abante abe. Ah! What you say teacher ni ampa. Ready teacher.
Ekomo.
Ah, me say ene o ma me dream.
Eno pray.
Yen to so Mr. DJ my line ntwegu, ma ntwegu.
Even the saints of Zion turn upon my back and enter in what? As lies of Mount Zion is for I.
Akoba, what's a battery on your minute?
Reggae teacher.
You like to talk about who did that? Or Casa bat, go near friend bat. Wow. But Sarah beauty, Casa baby. Okay. What I say? Now the Jabakum, our first line was I need no riches but harmony. Okay. Say Koba unisika now do me at Yasumbi one. Okay. Won't and yes, Sika, Obi disicati crack kunipa. Obi disicati a year is cinema. So we are signing man, I would disicati heaven. Ah, court a cassia chichemu on Ubenebi. What I say? Unya portion. Until any and yes, Sika na me Paul, I can't baby will say why or say or no or strange uncle Pon say money here be brain one can say yame. No strange say money yes be brain when your hand times one day. Yame and a coach at the Abadan has said I need no riches but harmony. Sikadia a coba ubia pebish. Many material for any beer pet. Once we be our pet. No mom, quia over fast or pay sika. Quia over fast when you sika. Coach say I need no riches but harmony. The Ninipa antenna as we na anything. Near to me, a portion of heaven. Into messages over some fella, and now you see Mrs. Anonymous answer. I said, okay, the man call.
As lies of Mount Zion is for I. I'm willing to lay down at Zion, do way like a footmat. Even the saints of Zion tread upon my back and enter in what? As lies of Mount Zion is for I.
A call about anti baton. Now, it's all to baton. I said, I'm making so one to baton. I won't tell you.
Reggae teacher
Or say, I'm willing Jah to lay down at Zion doorway like a footmat. Even the saints of Zion tread upon my back and enter in. mami jabat no wana mkyerɛ we ase etiefo omuti ɔsere nyame sɛ empo wenya heaven ho bi ankwa nyame fa no nyɛ dormant and to gate ano na wɔn a wɔkɔ heaven no entiti ano so nwura mu nti owie na ɔse but a slice of manzaya is for I or cancer say empo nanso obekɔ bi because wonim nia e wɔsɛ wɔyɛ na otimi kɔ heaven na ɔsere nyame sɛ ma me ntena ase e wɔ asomdiem ma me nya ɔdɔ ma me nua what I say na sika bebree pɛ a ɛde me bɛkɔ bɔne mu de na ma yɛ bɔne etim nua de me mpɛ saa sika no
Bring it to Jane, I said, what would be any palm, any microphone now, would be any my yatin. It's answer. Ocean, some more punchlines are easy out of this music now. A very powerful, but anybody at the time, he say, oh, what a regular, we will be our Shibi, and I said, we will be a basa. But I couldn't and then I buy this year radio moons and oh, be many palma, Martin will be added. I say, and then we would say, Jimmy, we encourage na team for 18 more no musician you will be free music na punchlines na wo reggae songs ni it we the team for na me seremo wo hwe djumadi ya wo hwe ana so wide wa hye wo subscribe ya na wa hye na obi o wachiri so wetimi ya de anya bi ahwe enam so sa wo so timi dormant na culture e ka no na te obi tete awo so obi nam so no so benya the in depth knowledge for reggae ho a wo gidi say ebe boy nyina enti reggae teacher me for mre ni bibiri be say wo to aso na wo cheche ni a wo so a wo ye e ka ho
enti said me kan ye no the red button a bar ho no opese o che say so wan kompo a ye fa na dormant e jamu di obi ene ope
okay
so wan kompo a ye fa na dormant na ye tietia na so wo mo beko heaven tietia na so room nanso obeko nti no yusu ye se baby otumfo bo pam no
say su bat
na e ho hia no
nanso
what
that's a bat
nanso a slice of manzaya is for all ye chichemu a ne de obede obenya nti ye to aso
Mr. DJ Manko
A slice of Mount Zion is for I. I pray every day to see the falling of the wicked man. I know that wickedness will prevail, but only for a little while. A slice of Mount Zion is for I.
Ekoba
wow
what's up me start here na ese be preaching
me say o ma me meti am we film ma dwen nyina me say meti aso dem mo
and so many suffer
wow
e reggae and I make chire was say I pray every day to see the falling of a wicked man at the boyefo no obi a woni the boye ni ti society no e ya wo ho ntena wo benya na ka akwa ide sabio menya na ka wo kura na me ho atome mantamu a wo ye tuture ni ye ho entoye so nti ye bon pass o akode jeli o mo de ne kwekura de ne nke ma ne mabim ne ye ho nye de entoye I pray every day to see the falling of the wicked man. I know that wickedness will prevail, but only for a little while and then. So, what's what you say? Yet, denara or the boy need the crew I made Ebayama. Oh, Okoba more so, the crew I bayama be soon as animal. So, would the bonnet, your fancy cap, and I will 1 year. That could have Bayama, I'm an ebuso. And to what you say, yet, denya. But the boy need a be a bed, Ebeba, Nanso, a bit take and wreck a crap. It's the engine in another Emma Nankopon. Now, one has a year the boy for every society. Because one call heavy hobby. And to sound of one, so okay, Nipa or no one call heavy, no one with the society Mudia. And maybe I will find out names of a call heavy, waiting at the strato. Yeah. And then Yamia, and you flew into a sort of one pie said, so we did for no, said the boy for no, or we know home Rebecca be. Name would himself take it time. Until or the time I bet say we be also be no obeto we be having no class or park on e be taking the time okay so until say oni obi te anasa wo bo bra bi na wo pese bi because one emre okay until wo na wo say wonya abotre na de twen emre no
etifo ne ye de ebo ba ekum no ami no mashase a ye dwumedi a ye de bremo no eho ana reggae teacher asa fa kwanya bi so kire wo kwan a washase ne be de e be hyase waspo no nya mre nya se wo ye wo be bompaye wo be to nyoma yi na wa asua de na wo de amade na wo pese wo ye de wo achi bi no na me ya adum a mmiri pem no we ma bibia ye de atoso enti bi DJ ma nyum ni twemu na another verse no se ye mfa na yintimi nto aso esan se ye mre ne wo no isa
As lies of Mount Zion is for I. leave here with your begun. All you got to do is help me pray. Let's kneel on our knees and clasp our hands and say, Father, please help me. As lies on Mount Zion is for us.
Akoba, or say, cannot go to Zion with your force. Zion, heaven, and you are holding, and you to me be our water, serious, and I would call. Okay. Was you cannot live here with your big gun. Okay. And you two can see now, you know who I am, and I would call. Some police, soldiers, and robbers said, it took a see how you know. And yet, no, never more when you're having a call. Obey to make it two, I'm a nipa 1,000 years, and I submitted to a two. By having you need to me. Okay. Was it cannot go to Zion with your force, have manners and enter in Jah house. I had here and she say what Zion Hano. I am ransom do no. Okay. Obi no be cheli nyina no say ni nyina ne say do yonko say wo ho. Na sum wo rad nyankopon wo honhom ene de. Ene no kurem. Ah. What I say? Entu enye tuo de sum nyame. Okay. Ena enye wo power bi a wo. So wo yo man panyini, so wo ye MP, so wo ye den. Enye sa power no. And a bit heaven. Nemo Zion, no, any of my attract one, and say, to say the rules govern or mine. So mine, young Tomona, you may say at the hop into heaven, your foot to a cassia alcohol, would create to a cassia. Fine, we'll to make growth to buy from the other year. We'll to make growth
reggae teacher. And the one muffle. So, that's it for a Koba TV so that we saw we Jimmy at my chassis, and then Yamia don't want their brand here for fair far, the 3 1 bit. I a friend reggae teacher, or now. In a nature train, commoner, or church reggae, I say, and you ma coach a boy I had to the slice of Mount Zion. Massa, you want to punchline a troop. Just say, and Cynthia, we are brand here. I say, with me, with me, tear, now also with me for ever to Bob, right? It's I say, and every day we are saying, I could do say 1 man and coupon. Now, 1 man make my answer with Yan count 1 year. He said, and your mind is in Patana obey. Say, yeah, cannot. But you would say, was shouting and hitting your cap is here. It's with me, see mountains. You know, with me for the social media. I have this, I have that. Okay, you Kasa, giddy. It's a war. Mount Zion, baby, come on, what ya? But 2 was. No more shall say, boko. Can I put one way? And to wait, it's a young man to know. They catch a ready teacher say, Bia or man to transfer short money now. Yet, a man, you might yet. I have fallen so move so much the power, only the message we believe. I bring me to say, I couldn't have been so I make kind be not to say, or one will follow program, so no, or make me say, you can't messages now, and you're my 18 was my ready teacher. I didn't do like
or say, or can be at all. Okay. Or say cannot go to Zion with your force. Okay. Have manners and enter in Jah house. Okay. You cannot live here with your big gun. All you got to do is help me pray. Wow. Let's kneel on our knees and clap our hands. Okay. And say, Father, please help I. And yet, what I say, yet giddy. And yet powers be our war. And I would be Zion one hiding. Ako. Name mum bebuame. My income. Na ye mun kotodwe ne mo ye nsem mo mpaye ne esere nyankopon se ommoa ye ne yentimi nya de enya heaven honko enyame nko a wo se papa ye mpo etise ntoma gufi ye de e wo ni so na tse adum bi na ye ma ya de akọ na adum ho anche na be sere firi e yo no an ntu kocha se ye mun kotodwe ne mo ye nsem mo mpaye ne esere nyankopon se ommoa ye ne yentimi nya de enya heaven honko.
And then my cameraman, Mr. Samuel, I'll put you I went to him and say, well, professional cameraman, when you saw how or handle Jimmy, a man of also. Me make up so, when you are Kobe was here for a grad, one. I was in a shame that see how much Jimmy, a books are. Ye brigade teacher, Anna. So I did Jimmy, among it is a worship Jimmy or social media handle Biaswa, a YouTube and I say Facebook or subscribe and also I share, be a watching any bench and so waiting and the binat also waiting actually. Brigade teacher. I mean, they be brain, and some must be brain, a waka. Messages must be brain, Abba. You did back home. And you may see here in car. You must not say, motive for TNC. But I did my own command.
Children are being children, poverty upon the door. I've seen white squad walking on the street for right.
Koba,
Reggae teacher.
or say, children having children,
Okay.
poverty upon the door. I see white skull walking on the street with a man under arrest.
Wow.
And Yama Ekos will be asking, my uncle heavy, maybe now whether or person.
Wow.
So, and then a Pruaninsen, and it was children having children, and Kola, I won't call.
Wow.
And you so born in 1896 was I.
Sure.
Satan and Pruaninsen, you come, and net the rate at which and Pruaninsen, you come on.
Wow.
A door to chance our time. Until I can be said, a prophecies no more, or more really to honor. So what I say, children having children. I see a bicycle walking on the street with man under arrest. I then have a chubby, Nipane di Bonnie. Maybe our cophobia, dear and a manicophobia. So, children having children, poverty upon the door. I would say, Abai so. Until I buy the Abai, because I buy any. As I would say, I buy it. So, until I marry now. Or catch us this is a boy and prim near to being a heavy Libya. Aqua. It's a hawk crown so when I such a
Your fan messages be the first message, every Mommy, Grandma Veronica. I say, Reggae teacher, you are the best. Keep it up. And back on so every Dennis Mensa body. And also say, Reggae teacher, keep it up. You are the best. Wow. And Augustina so and so at Lady Abba also say we are live watching you from Achim Oda. That is say also so every Jimmy Achim Oda. And the message in the then so we ain't cry with me. I was so Eddie Ama ye tape for anti Mr. DJ my online is now share send your my Eddie echo.
Satan is around us like a roaring lion, seeking the children to devour all the days of our life. Like a hungry eagle flying to the sky, seeking for monsoon to devour. But don't let them catch us, as nice as Mount Zion is for I.
Reggae teacher,
Koba.
I say lines in the more over 2 now, man. And then what I know, Papa.
Koba reggae for Medio Mochipan, your culture, Bob Marley, and a Lucky Dube.
Okay.
Because of how our money may inspire. What I say. Baby ho and penny for baby ho, I'm born, but Obiao baby or pet. Until let's make us a culture there. By now, then you bear 80% there. Maybe I'm a bit cram, I can't meet me at all. Now, line here about Sicilian. Or say, Satan is around us like a rolling lion, seeking their children to devour the days of our lives, like an angry eagle, flying through the sky, seeking from a soul to devour. Or say, when someone carry who is here, that's say Jata or boom. Now, the all yin say, or pennipa or my phone, no, no, foul.
Okay.
What I say? Now, some of my scenarios, Bonsano, a Johnny baby. I will boom to say Jata. Oh, and some of my scenario, we say, so who names said the Jata boom, at a set eagle. I want to know them.
Wow.
And I say, for a chroma, any example, say, a chroma, 8 Miss 5 year one, who said, a cocoa, one son of Mamia Tabaya say,
Okay.
no, I didn't, Wabba fan. Into the Bonsam and Mama Roya, and say, or better say, a befon. No, I didn't, Wabba fire. Into example, and what the man said, it's a Jata or boom. So when you sweat, Sa chroma will be on them, or pet a cocoba, I didn't, a fan.
Wow.
And today, you best sing a coupon tabine. Said a bear onya, and I said, and Mran some more the Amayan. You be so, said a bear when someone out booming at them, and on fire. And it's alliance Nina lead to the old bear, who will soon be now a portion of heaven. Maybe you're not the winning. I can say to say the Miss Mabet and I have natural. So say also by no now a portion of heaven.
Reggae teacher say the pastor cow doing home. And I will say,
Pacho, and then it's some reggae pasta.
Reggae pasta. Reggae pasta. And for reggae teacher na enya one on one and mashasi jumedi so not say and no and some of the baby no wakano and abrante na bi ani e wo kwan bebre so me say na me bi reggae but and me catch me say fi na ko no akanya bi a me bia me ti reggae na matumi kwa se ti mu nsem ne se me ti ne keke ne mo meti mu nsem no na me so me de ere abobra ne mo bona wo ahwe po bi se o metinu se reggae de eye num bi a ana se eye reggae ko no eye nkofo bi a se be o mo ye etutu asem ne nyoma basabasa no nso no yetini isa bi na fi ti mu na yetini afadwen pa de ere a she kenu enka eye yam se Africa for de ade bi na me bia dum ye bia no emrofo e ma ya ti ase se ade bi na me de ma ye enya de papa ne mo de na mo ba be kire no eno na eye enti ma de nyame de mayen na eya de papa we yi mu no ye to sam yoma na twene me yakofa ne ma bi a emmoyen ya brabo na ne ye de bobra wo wiase a ne mama ye wiase mu aye basabasa nipa bi ti se reggae teacher ye nkofo bi a ometu omu so se ombeboa na omatimi a church na yetimi ehu ya bakwasem ene ya mane ene ya sede se ye na yetimi amobra pa na nyame pia ye nso ya nya yira ba wo ni mum ye ni na kwa kodi da ensada owo na ni mu enti Mr. DJ ma last line na won nyum entwembu na che se bibia ntimi nye den enko na bi ye na ye fa tumedi no enso enti bra na bi ye
As a Mount Zion is for right. Hear me when I pray. Give me strength to pray. The man of Zion. No one can give satisfaction but Thee alone. Sit upon thy throne and pardon our transgression and tread foot pity to thy children in the morning time for. As lies at Mount Zion is for right.
Last line in there.
Who said I come out to it? I was on fire line, mommy. Right at the phone. I was on fire line, mommy.
Satan is around the women I say, as lies at Mount Zion is for right. Give me when I pray, give me strength to pray. The man of Zion, no one can give satisfaction but Thee alone. Sit upon thy throne and pardon our transgression and tread forth pity to thy children in the morning time for. As lies at Mount Zion is for I. Peace.
Akoba.
Me who me you are say give me strength. Give me strength. I pray.
But say give me strength. Till the ye nyina no say Nyankopon ama ya hoden a ye ntimi nye it was give me strength. Oh ja, I pray. Me Nyankopon me bompa ye say mama hoden a obetimi di aye saa nhyehyede na eda heaven no akwantuo ne ho. Give me strength, oh ja, I pray. Without manna from Zion, no one can give satisfaction. So what I say? Say enye Nyankopon na de be free soro aba, obi antimi nya bibi ma ye yakoma ntwa ye. Or the man I did not home, say, Diana, I told maybe a Israelite for Sir. So now say, yes, I'm an dear, and obey Diama or obey me. Until they all can't order by any part, they are sitting in one. Say, Yame am wawa, obedient minute, wow. I hear no be the Bema best song. But say, Yame can't hold up one city crown, I'll bet me the idea be Biaman. I saw any, obey me the idea be Biaman, Brabba, and 18 pounds. On what to give me strength, oh, Jah, I pray. Without manna from Zion, no one can give satisfaction. But Thee alone, a wonkuto and I'll bet me a maya kuma atoy. So I have a wonkuto and I'll bet me a grant permission saying, Yanko heaven. So what I say, give me strength to Jah, I pray. Without manna from Zion, no one can give satisfaction. But Thee alone, with it, Yanko Pompa, into real or say, sit upon thy throne. What would to a hymn? Wow, to a hymn of what in day, wow, to a hymn of Yankupon.
Reggae teacher.
Fire bonnet,
and then why you Mashassie, what a Koba TV, and a Koba and Akujo Mensa Brompa. Many reggae teacher, Yatras and Natchez, and you want fana or church, me say, a penny beshe, and this will be the not a country. It's not say, I'm ranting with your brand TV. It's say, yes, it's so much fun. And then the Biano over a Koba TV. So now we programs now, we can subscribe and now share it. Now it's what yeah, the attribute. It's not say, I'm ranting with me, I'm on bill. Because I just say, the school says, I'm penny, I'm money, I'm a mudo. ana gidi pass it see no so frifie because I don't know minimum say impo na obe ahimfie a na say otana ahimfie nso dia because say na kasa na ni nsem na dwesu ni na fage mu ekono for menu nsem asa nti ma men kama ntu na tese onye dwumadi ni ma ye na ye mfansi reggae teacher
ko ba sem de bia ye papa bia e ba no ma cho so enye na ka coronavirus e ba ye ya Madagascar for say o monye eduru pese ye sigi say a World Health Organization for them e approve answer adentia da be no be approve so ho nti e won niam awo ebibiman mu a o mo akọ ya adwen ade afiri so e bi ye reggae music se kemre e bam ni asa church reggae be mienu miensem a nka wo be hu de me pese me kire yi oh nti kakra me kan kire wetie for no say de o mbetimi aye de aboa me madwuma as reggae teacher ne say o be share videos no na afoforo bebre so aye ate no mate ase one day no Africa e be unite na ejina me no mi no so e bia na kofa video kituwa ya wo share yi so ama yetimi aye ben enya saa de ye pe e be ma Africa yakoma atro ye ni ade ye ho afiri abrofo nsem kakra metimi
ete for reggae teacher na yete ne ka ene no ene wa ye dwumadi ni nyina ama ye me se nani age pa ye nti won so so a wo hwe me gidi se won so so wani age ade a won so betimi aye de aboa ye ne se obe subscribe program no na wa share yi na obi a wo achichi ni benchen so etimi enya dwumadi ni na wa hwe Mr. Samuel ba ko pe ene on ejina camera na chi ana ye make up so eye Kobe Stone Kobe 1 o se twa so na friend no agrada no ana mu nyina etimi boa ye make dwumadi etimi e ba so me so a me did median ho chia me bin eye koba nana kojo mensa abrampa e ko ne ni abranti amaka ma no kokko na tese e tra dwumadi na chi dia na tese bibia ye na me ya dom asa dom bi dom ye ya esene tese ye dwumadi be sa abrɛ wo koba TV so ene reggae teacher na fade ne se ne ene first time but how I watch it ne memu no wo gidi se akonya be mu ba obeje bibire aka wo gidi se wo a wo hwe no so wani age na akonya be bi mu so oba be hwe na wo so wotimi ahye tumidi jakra mo nyina ye no baba
She says, how do you say?